Every time someone buys this offer, I'm gonna get paid $1,000. So basically I need about 10 sales in a month to make $10,000. All right. People are quitting their 9-to-5 jobs in record numbers, and I'm pretty sure you're aware of that, and it's all thanks to the work from home trend. In fact, in 2022 alone, the number of people who started working from home nearly tripled compared to the 10 previous years. And this trend is set to massively increase in the next few years. And if you want to jump on it and create massive wealth and freedom for yourself or your family, in the next few minutes I'm going to share with you the 7 most essential steps on how to start making at least $10,000 a month or more while working at home without any previous knowledge or experience, by just using your phone or laptop. And to surprise you, all of this can be done in under 30 days. I know it's a very brave claim, but you're going to see in just a second how easy it is. Step number 1. If you have a hobby, you can use it to make money. If you don't have a hobby, find a hobby. Educate yourself by watching YouTube videos, by going on Udemy, on Coursera, or any other platform that will teach you some skill or something about a topic. Find that hobby, find that passion that you have about whatever, either swimming, marketing, skateboarding, makeup, whatever might be, because this is essential to help you make a lot of money in the future. Probably right now you're thinking, hey Ross, but I'm not an expert. Yeah, I like to do makeups, I like to skateboard, but I am not an expert, which is fine. You don't have to be an expert. You just have to know a little bit more than the other person. And this is what is going to set you apart, and this is what is going to make your money, which leads us to step number 2, is to create a free lead magnet. Basically, a lead magnet is a digital material like a PDF book that you give to people for free, and it's a combination of your, let's say, passion or skills that is going to teach people something about the certain topic. If we jump on my computer, here we can see one of the lead magnets I've created. It is called a ClickBank Goldmine. ClickBank is an affiliate network for affiliate marketers. And basically, I've created a simple PDF. This is a very short PDF, like 20-30 pages. And it shows people how to how to create business around ClickBank. This is completely free. I didn't use any designers. I used Canva. Canva is a software you can sign up for free, and it's gonna help you as a complete beginner to just drag and drop simple designs and type some text on it. And the reasoning for creating a lead magnet is very simple. So let me give you an example with me back in the day. So I started my digital marketing career in web development. So I was making websites for clients, and a lot of clients were asking me the very one question. So one common question was arising between all of my clients. The question was, hey Ross, okay, I see that you made a pretty good, pretty nice looking website, but how this website makes me brings me more clients? How this website is gonna help me make more money? So I crafted a free lead magnet about 10 reasons why a website design is going to make you more money or is going to bring you more clients. And for example, I was very specific in why your button, buy now button, is green and not yellow, or why your menu is dark gray. So some specifics about my website that I could educate my clients. So not only that they knew how this is going to help them sell more, but they also would know that I know what I'm talking about. They knew that I'm good in my job, so they would trust me more with purchasing more of my products. In this case, a new website or a new landing page, etc. And by the way, guys, if you like the information so far in this video tutorial, like this video. And again, you don't have to be a very pro. You just have to know a little more. For example, if you like skateboarding, I don't know why I just took this example, but let's say you like skateboarding. You can create a PDF on 10 tricks you can do with your skate as a complete beginner. Boom! Like, how many people are starting to skate right now? A lot. They're literally every day, new people are starting new stuff. For example, I started surfing like a month ago. So it's a new skill. I would love for some one of you to make like a PDF to teach me 10 beginners tips or tricks on how to surf better or something like that. Now, once you create your lead magnet, then you need to send it to people. And how do you do that? For example, I here have a simple landing page. This is called a landing page. It's hosted on my website, rossminchev.com, and basically tells people, hey, hey, this is a book that is going to teach you about affiliate marketing. It's going to show you how to work with ClickBank and how to maximize your profits from ClickBank. Enter your email address to download it. And this is important. You're going to see later on why. Because I always want to capture people's emails, because this is going to be your audience. So in exchange, in their email, for their email address, I give them a free ebook that they can read and be better in whatever they're doing. This landing page was built with a free web page builder. I use Clickera, I use ClickFunnels. I have different videos on how to build landing pages for complete beginners. Basically just drag and drop text and images, and you can do that yourself. I'm gonna link these videos down in the description below if you're interested. But yeah, a simple landing page. This one is called a lead capture page. I give them the lead magnet, but I capture their email in exchange. So moving on to step number 4 is to get the word out about yourself. Now that you have built the infrastructure, and basically this is what you need. This is your only infrastructure. It's not difficult, as you can see. A simple landing page, a simple PDF, and that's about it. Now step number 4 is to get the word out. Go on TikTok, go on Pinterest, go on Twitter, create different accounts and start posting there about what you're passionate about. Start posting about skateboarding, start posting about surfing, or whatever your niche is. For example, I'm here sharing my knowledge about marketing on YouTube. I also am on TikTok. I have a bunch of Pinterest accounts. So I share everything in multiple channels, multiple social channels. Of course, this is not gonna happen overnight. You have to build your audience, but trust me, it can explode pretty quickly. For some people, it might take a couple of weeks. For some people, it might take a couple of months. I'll give you another example with YouTube. I started YouTube a couple of years ago, but I was camera shy. I didn't want to show my face. So I started by just showing my screen. It basically was screen recording, and I was explaining different marketing techniques about websites, copywriting, landing page building, etc. So I didn't even show my face. It just was a voiceover over the screen. So that's a tip for you. You can do if you're camera shy. Once you start seeing like 10, 15, 20 people on your email list, start sending them more info, start sending them more valuable content, start sending them newsletters. And the reason behind this is, after you start sending them these newsletters, is you're going to ask them for their money. But you don't ask people for money before showing them some authority. So what I mean by that, this is going to lead us to step number 5. This is a simple newsletter that you see in front of you. It's not mine, I just found it on Google, but this is what you're going to start sending to your people that gave you their emails. This gives you first authority, and secondly, people will even trust you more because they will know that you want to help them. And that should be your goal from the very beginning. Your goal in mind is not how I make money, but it's how I help people. Because the more people you help, the word is going to go out. People are going to start talking about you and start recommending you to their friends. So that should be your first goal. Educate people more, and the more information you send them, and you can create these newsletters by yourself, or if you don't want to create them by yourself, there's another way which I don't kind of recommend, but it's called ChatGPT. This is probably, you've already heard about it. It's artificial intelligence software that creates articles based on your input. So here I can say, write me a blog post about digital marketing trends. All right. And I'm saying blog post because it's going to give me a lot of text. So let's see, the app is thinking. Boom, and it started writing. So basically you can copy and paste this. I highly recommend you proofread it before you copy and paste it to your audience or to your email list, so you know what you're sending them. But as you can see, digital marketing has rapidly evolved in recent years, and businesses must stay up to date with the latest trends to remain competitive. Pretty good so far. So you just copy that and format it in such a way, and then you send it to your email list. And now finally, the moment you've all been waiting for, how do you make money with all of that infrastructure that we've built so far? There are a bunch of ways of doing that, of making money. The first way is to create your own product. Create a course, create a paid membership, let's say create another PDF. This is what I've done as well. So instead of you you're going to first give a PDF for free, but then you can create a bigger PDF, longer pages, more explanations about your topic, and you can sell that as an ebook. Sell it for 10, 15 bucks, 20 bucks, etc. This is how you can get started. But also you can create a course, mini course about how to skate better. You show yourself skating. For example, I have a course about ClickBank, and I show people how to start their ClickBank businesses, how to start making money with affiliate marketing, which leads us to option number 2 is actually affiliate marketing. So if you don't want to create your own course or own materials, you can go to clickbank.com, and here you can find hundreds and even thousands of offers that you can promote to your people and make a lot of money doing that. For example, these are high ticket offers. As you can see, this one is $1,000. I'm gonna get $1,000. It's about get paid to talk about your favorite brands on the internet. It's related to digital marketing. So if I promote this offer, and I can collect my affiliate link by clicking promote, every time someone buys this offer, I'm gonna get paid $1,000. So basically I need about 10 sales in a month to make $10,000. I have another offer here, 900 bucks. This one pays 400. So you can split test different offers, and before you promote anything to your audience, always make sure you're promoting something of a good quality. So sign up for the product, or test the product yourself before you're promoting it to your audience. Contact the vendors, because this is how they're called. People who own the product are called the vendors. Ask them for free access before you promote. These are all courses here, I believe. So these here are all courses about digital marketing, how to make money online, etc., etc. So that's the best option you can do if you don't want to create your own course. And finally, coming up to step number 7, which is rinse and repeat. I know it sounds kind of obvious, but a lot of people are neglecting that. So once you start seeing traction, you can actually either put more effort and increase and scale your business to you can use paid traffic. You can start using ads to promote your brand, or to promote your PDFs and free lead magnets, etc. Or you can start another brand, and this is the case with me. So I'm into digital marketing and affiliate marketing, but I'm also into health and fitness. I have a bunch of blogs related to healthy lifestyle. So I'm not only showing people how to create a better future for themselves by making more money and creating a good business, but also I'm showing them how to live better by eating a good food, taking care of their skin, being active. So as you can see, I have 2 completely separate niches that I'm involved in: health and fitness and digital marketing. Now, in some cases, they're kind of related, because in order for your brain to be productive and make a lot of money, I am a strong believer that you need to be healthy. You need to feel good in your own skin. You need to exercise, you need to eat a proper food, etc., etc. So that's another passion of mine that I teach people. So that's about it for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and let me know in the comments below if you want me to create another tutorial on how to create the infrastructure, how to set up the emails, newsletters, how to set up landing pages, because it's a bit technical. It is very beginners friendly. You don't have to be a developer or programmer to do that, but you need some explanations. If you need some guidance, let me know in the comments below, and I might consider creating a more technical video on how to accomplish all of this infrastructure. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, cheers.